Good morning everybody, welcome here to another video. Today's video is going to be a bit of everything. It's currently Saturday and I have to clean the house. I really want to organize my makeup drawer and there's just a couple of other things that I want to talk to you about and show you. So I just thought I would start filming, do all of that. And I'm actually not even sure what I'm going to name this video because it's a bit of everything. But I really hope you can join me on my day. Grab a coffee, grab a tea, and let's hang out together. So the first thing I wanted to show you is a new bedding set that I have bought from Murmur, this company. I believe they're from Belfast, but Belfast or Northern Ireland, something like that. Oh gosh, I should have checked. I think it's Northern Ireland. But they are stocked in B-Deck in Kildare Village, and I went to their event last weekend and it was so lovely to learn a little bit more about bedding and duvets and things like that, because you know I'm all into that. And then afterwards I went into the B-Deck store and I picked up this duvet set, which I'm absolutely obsessed with and I want more. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. I currently have it on our spare room bed, but this is what it looks like. It's like white with sage green stripes in it and I absolutely love it. It's like the softest thing ever. Oh my gosh, I just sat down and now I'm creasing it. It's a little bit creased anyways, but it's so nice. Like I literally just want to get into this bed and sleep in here because it has that duvet cover. So yeah, I would highly recommend checking them out because just such good quality stuff. And also whilst we were there we got a little goodie bag and this is what was in mine. It's a, what was it called? I think it was Sleep. Yeah, Sleep lavender and geranium and tea tree room spray, and it smells so good. I spray this like before we go to sleep and it's the nicest thing ever. And then we also got a candle, and the candle looks like this. It's in this lovely really heavy glass, and this is the spa candle. It smells insane. I don't think it tells me what the notes are, but so good. And they're like soy candles as well, which is so nice. Silk pillowcase, and this is the, oh, I had a specific name to it, but it's a silk pillowcase basically, and I've been sleeping on it all week and it is life-changing. So good. I always wanted to get one but never did, and now that was my chance. So I've been sleeping on that. Super comfortable, and apparently it's so much better for your hair and your face and all of that. So we're having the first rainy day in about 2 weeks, which is kind of nice in a way. Like, I know if I was going out and doing something it wouldn't be nice, but if I'm staying in, it's lovely to see. And the grass has been literally brown, so it needs a little water. Since the last time that I vlogged, we got our house light finished. So I'm going to show you what it looks like because I really do like them a lot. So there it is. So these are our dining room lights. That's what they look like. They're basically kind of going all different directions, but I really like them. And then over there in the kitchen we have the exact same one. So yeah, I think it looks nice. I think it matches with the black ovens and the fridge. So yeah. So the best news of the day is this. So basically, you know that my coffee machine broke from my last video. I think I mentioned that. And Nespresso decided that they were going to just send me a new machine because I think the one that I had was just way too broken. So yeah, we got a brand new machine, and they even sent over a packet of like the tri capsules. How good is that? So let's open that and get it plugged in, get it working, and get a coffee because I missed this coffee so much. I haven't had it all week and I'm having like I'm having withdrawals, okay? So I need a coffee. So let's do that together. Hello, newbie. How crazy is this? I'm so excited for this, you wouldn't believe. Yes. Oh, I missed this. So good. So good. I need to water the flowers because they are dying. It's been this warm over the last couple of days that we're gonna have a new leaf here, another one. This plant has been literally thriving since I got it, and it's so nice to see, and it loves water. It's crazy. But yeah, there's a new leaf, and it has so many. There's another one over there that's about to grow. It literally has so many leaves now. It's crazy. It's getting super tall. I never showed you, but I got my nails done yesterday and I absolutely love them. This is what they look like. They're basically French pink with little white lines on them, and I absolutely love them so much. Like, they're just so nice. So yeah, those are the nails. I love them, I love them, I love them. Before I start to clean the house, I'm going to make some breakfast, and I'm going to make these protein pancakes The same ones that what is the date on these? The same ones that I made in my last video. Oh, perfect, 26th of June. In my last video, I got 2 packets, so this is the second packet. I haven't had it since because I was back in work, so I wasn't at home to eat any breakfast. But I'm gonna have some of those with blueberries and probably some honey again. And whilst I eat that, I'm gonna chat to you about Love Island because it's back on, and I think we should start a little conversation about it. So let's make breakfast and then let's chat about that. I might have some cashew butter as well. I'm gonna go and put this back into the microwave for a second so that melts. That looks huge, but let's have this. So let's dig in. I'm very excited. It's pancakes, so you can't go wrong, right? And they were actually really yummy last time, as I told you, so definitely would recommend. I'm going back to Aldi tomorrow to get more. Obviously last time I didn't have them with cashew butter, but cashew butter is so much nicer than peanut butter. I got mine from bulk just because that's when I was ordering my coffee syrups, so I just got it and it was a good price and all of that, so it's really nice. This is going to be a hard breakfast to talk at because you know when you're eating peanut butter and it gets all weird in your mouth that you can't even speak? This is what this feels like. But Love Island has started, which my favourite time of the year. Well, one of my favourites. You know, I'm a Celebrity is my favourite time of the year, but this also is great. I feel like the last 2 years or so, it hasn't been like amazing, and I feel like it only gets good kind of towards the end. So with this one, I'm giving it a chance. It could be better, but it's not bad at all, and I'm enjoying it. Plus, do you know when you're kind of watching something and you're like, I don't know why I'm watching this. Yet the next day and the next day and the next day you come back and you keep watching. That's how I feel about Love Island. Who are my favourites? Molly's my favourite. I really like Jess. Is it Jess? I think it is. I'm still not totally sure on the names, but I think, yeah, Jess, the blonde one. She just seems so cool and like bubbly and like she's just having a fun time. I'm so sad that there's nobody there yet for her. Although I think she might be, she recoupled with Sammy last night, so maybe there's going to be something there. But I feel like Sammy is all over Molly, so I don't know if he's going to like Jess. I just don't know if anything will come out of that. And bless her, she is so into him, so I hope so, but we're gonna have to wait and see. About Molly's situation, I think people were saying, oh, like you're closed off. She only met Mitchell like 2 days ago. Give her a break. So I don't know, but you can see that Mitchell really does like her. And I think she does too, but I think she just wants to explore a little bit more and just not have herself closed off to the first person she saw. So yeah, I'm interested to see what happens there. Although they did recouple last night and they're together, so poor Mitchell's brain is probably like frazzled. So I don't know what's going to happen tonight, but, well, not tonight. There's no episode tonight. Tomorrow night. I wonder. I always love seeing on Instagram during the day the first look. That gets me really excited for the evening time. Plus, I just love when it hits 9 p.m, I'm on the sofa, I'm watching Love Island, and you know what? The funny thing is, I have dreamed of this moment. It might sound cheesy, but I have dreamed of all the years when I lived like back at home with my mum. I dreamt of sitting on my own sofa, watching Love Island or I'm a Celebrity, because those are like my two favourite TV shows. I literally dreamt about that. So the fact that I'm doing that now is insane. And it made me think about it that, do you know the way when you're at a certain point in your life and you're like, I'm not happy, this is bad, this is bad, this is bad. And then when you actually reflect and look at it, you're somewhere, you might be somewhere where you literally dreamt of being, which is crazy. And that's exactly with me now. Like, I literally dreamt about this moment. It's such a little moment. It's such a stupid, in a way, moment that I'm sitting on my sofa watching TV. Yeah, okay, great. But to me, because I dreamt of it for such a long time and it's actually here, I'm like, whoa. So every day, I think it's gonna be 3 months at the end of this month that we're here in the house, and I still don't feel like we're here and that we live together. I think it's insane. I still kind of feel like we're on holidays. I mean, it's kind of become more of a reality that now that I'm back in work, but still, it kind of, I don't know, sometimes I'm like, oh, I'm not going back to like my mom's house. So it's crazy, but just kind of makes you think that where you are now, even though you might be giving out and like saying, oh, I don't like this, I don't like that, you might be somewhere right now where you literally dreamt of being 3 or 4 years ago. So don't be so hard on yourself, because it's just crazy to see, and time is flying so fast. I think the older I get, time flies faster. Like, it's just insane. One of my friends is about to have a baby like in less than 2 months or something, and I can still remember her having her first one. Like, and just, it's insane how time is going so fast. And like, it's June, we're already 6 months into the year. How? I'm honestly baffled. So yeah, actually, yeah, I think my mum moved houses in January. So remember the moving vlogs where I moved with my mum? That was in January. That was 6 months ago. It's just mind blowing. So yeah, I don't know how I got to this with the Love Island thing. Another thing was that George went home yesterday. I wasn't sure about him, but you could see that he brought a lot into the villa, and everybody was crying, which is so sad. It's so sad when people actually cry when others go. I really liked Catherine, actually. She seems like a lovely person. So I'm excited to see who she gets like with or whatever. She really likes Zach, but I know that Zach loves Molly. Oh, he doesn't love her. I know that Zach likes Molly. And you know what? I think I really like Molly and Zach more than Mitchell. I don't know. But yeah. So yeah, my favourite girls, Molly, Catherine, Jess. Who else? Rushi is also, like, seems really, really nice. Ella. I really like Ella as well. She's so pretty. Oh my gosh. And then my favourite boys would be Zach, Mitchell. And I was gonna say Sammy, but not really. He's a bit, I don't know, he's a bit OTT. But so yeah, I think Zach and Mitchell are my favourites so far. But I'm sure that's going to change. I'm sure loads of people are going to come in and stir the pot. I would love to know who your favourites are. Let me know. Comment down below. And if you have any predictions as to who might be together till the very end, let me know. I haven't got a clue. I don't know who's going to stay, who's going to go. I have no idea. But if you'd like me to do these little updates and thoughts in the next few vlogs, let me know, because I'll be sure to do those, because I just love talking about it, and I feel like I don't have anybody to talk about Love Island with, because none of my friends are watching it. My friends in work aren't watching it either, so I need somebody to talk to, okay? So yeah, you're gonna be the one. Sorry, not sorry. Just cleaning up after my breakfast, but I just arranged with one of the girls that I know from Instagram. We've been following each other for months, and I always love her content, and she seems like such a lovely girl. So we just arranged to meet up for a coffee in 2 weeks time, so that's really exciting. I can't wait for that. She lives not too far away from me, and we're kind of just going to meet up halfway, but that's so exciting. I love that. I love meeting people and that have like something to do with me, the same interests and things like that, so I'm really excited for that. I'll let you know how that goes, but yeah, very exciting. So let's clean up after my breakfast, and I need to start hoovering and cleaning the place, because do you know when it just feels filthy, even though it's not, but it just needs a good clean. So let's do that. Oh my gosh, that smells insane. Okay, my new favorite washing up liquid. is this Fairy Max Power Pomegranate. So nice, honestly. Wow, 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 wow. Before I continue cleaning the whole of upstairs, because the whole of downstairs is done, I am going to take a break, and whilst I take my break, I'm going to organize my makeup drawer because it's driving me insane, and I've said it in like the last couple of videos that I need to do it and I still haven't done it. So I thought I would film it for you because one of my videos that I filmed years ago was my makeup collection, and that has like thousands and thousands of views, and people absolutely love that video even though it's so old. And yeah, I don't know, I think it was when people went through a phase of watching makeup collections. So I was like, let me include this portion of the video in this vlog in case you're interested, in case you love organizing, and let's see how I get on. My makeup collection is not huge at all. Nowadays I tend to like get rid of my makeup. I know what I like, I know what I'm using, so I never buy anything extra nowadays. I used to be obsessed with buying makeup, but nowadays not so much. So yeah, I'm just going to organize it all and see how I get on with that, but let's see. placed an order the other day on Pretty Little Thing. I have a wedding coming up in a couple of weeks. I think it's like 3 weeks or so. And I need to find an outfit for it. So I ordered 2 dresses. Now, one of them I'm already not sure about, simply because on the picture on the website it didn't look as like bright colors. It looked like nice subtle colors. It was colorful, but just nice like muted kind of colors. And what has arrived, it's basically like a luminous green and luminous pink orange, and I'm just not about that. But I'm not gonna knock it until I try it on. I do like the other one, so I'm keeping my fingers crossed that one of these is nice and I don't have to send them back and order again. But if I do, it's fine. I still have a whole another couple of weeks, so it's okay. But I'm going to show you what they look like. I won't try them on for the camera simply because I don't know, they might look bad or something, so I'm not going to try them on for you. But I'm going to show you what they look like, and if I do end up picking them and wearing one of them, then you'll see it on my Instagram anyways. But this is the first one. It's like this. So that's what it looks like, and it's basically a midi dress with like ruched kind of sides and back. This is what it looks like in the back. It has like a zip in the middle, but yeah, basically this is it. I feel like you can see it more a little bit better when it's on. And then this is the second one. This is the pattern on it, and this is what this one looks like. You basically tie it here, and that's what it looks like. So yeah, this is it. It has like a corset kind of front. But yeah, I'm gonna try these on and see, and hopefully one of these fits me. I just refilled my water bottle, cup, whatever it is. It's so warm. It's like so stuffy in the air. It's horrible. It keeps raining every 2 seconds, but it's literally, it says 21 degrees. It's like as if I'm in the Sahara Desert. And I have all my windows open in the house, but there's just no air, so it's not that nice. But I'm gonna empty the dryer, fold the washing, put that away, and then what else do I have to do? That's everything. I think I finished cleaning upstairs, downstairs, everywhere. And I tried on those dresses, and the verdict is that I'm sending back the pink one. I have it packed up and all, ready to go. I'm sending it back. I don't like it at all. And I'm keeping the blue one, and the blue one with blue, grey, white, whatever. The other one, I'm gonna wear that one. It looks good. I think I asked my friend if it looks good, and she said yeah, so it does. But yeah, I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna wear that, and then for day 2, I think I'm just going to wear this Zara dress that I have, that I got recently. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen it. I wore it to this homeware event last week, so I think I'm just gonna wear that because it's super comfortable and summery, and it will do for like a barbecue vibe for day 2. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Let's take the washing out and fold that together, and then I'm going to edit this vlog and basically just chill. That's the plan for the day. It's already 3 p.m. after 3, so it's already super late in the day. I can't believe how fast the day went. I got up at 10 as well. So what did I do? Right, I'm going to end the video here simply because, I'm going to end the video here because my battery is about to die and the only thing I have left to do is edit this vlog that you're watching right now and then have dinner in the evening. So I'm going to chill for the rest of the evening and just enjoy my weekend and peace. But I really hope you are well. I really hope you enjoyed today's vlog. I know it was a little mismatch of everything, but I hope you enjoyed it nonetheless. And let me know what you'd like to see next, because I would love to know, and I always want to create something that you're gonna enjoy and like to see. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you all in my next one.